Bonjour and welcome back. I'm Sean Awesome and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? So right off the bat here, you will eradicate racism, sexism, and all negative judgments from any law or rule, but no one will know you did it, and you will be known as the most negatively judgmental person in history. Sure. I'll do it all for you guys. All for you. You get the boy girl of your dreams, perfect body and all. The sex is just lame. No. There are so many more important things in a relationship than sex. You can hop into other people's dreams, but you can never have your own dreams again. Sure, I don't see the harm. I mean, all dreams are what the fuck anyway, so what's the difference between my what the fuck dream and your what the fuck dream? And it would be fun. Woohoo! I'm in the majority. 72% of people pressed it. Awesome. You will be as rich as you want to be, but you can't choose infinite. You can't change how much money you choose to have. Inflation will rise within 5 years. Many robbers will try and steal the money, and you're not allowed to protect the money. No. Woohoo! I'm in the majority. 57% of people are with me. Because say you want $1 million, you can protect it from theft, and really, what's the point then? You can turn invisible and back again at will, but you will die on your 60th birthday, provided you make it that far. Yeah, absolutely I would. How cool would that be? To be able to become invisible and back again when you want. That would be amazing. I'm in the majority again. 60% press the button. All cancer is removed from the world, but pizza is also removed from the world, while all the good kinds of pizza are unhealthy, and but where's the joy of that? So you fuckers, you want to be healthy, whereas I'm a slave to taste. You can go to a universe of your liking, be it imaginary or you make one on your own. You cease to exist on Earth and you're unable to return back. Okay, well, the first part is kinda redundant. If it's imaginary, you do make it on your own. I'm happy with the way things are. Really. I'm in the minority, 33%. Your children become great and truly enjoyable people who you are proud of, but you have to name them either Ipo, Lufitueb, or Ibol. Yeah, I would do it. That's Hope, Beautiful, and Love backwards. So. You get the power of all the Avengers to help save the world, but you're constantly on the move, being hunted down as a threat, never seeing your family or friends again. No. I love my family and friends, and I don't have high aspirations to save the world. you can become the strongest man, but you can never fight. This question is bullshit. I don't wanna. What's the point in being the strongest if you can never fight? I mean, fighting's awesome. You get super speed, but your clothes and those of anyone you carry in the super speed are always burned off. No. Like, imagine if you did your super speed in the mall, and then when you stop, you'd be naked in the middle of the mall. Like, people will see your testicles and stuff. That would be so embarrassing. Okay. Here we go. You launch a missile at your enemy, but there is a 25% chance it will mess up and target you. Yeah, of course. I would. I mean, I see that as a win-win. I mean, if I launch a missile at my enemy's gone. If it comes back and hits me, my enemy's gone. Like, I'm gone, and so I don't have consciousness. So my enemy's gone. But I'm in a minority. You people, you wanna live. Okay. I did this question, but you will become socially accepted, but you can never go on Tumblr ever again. I don't use Tumblr that much. Oh! I meant to press a button. Then I would have been in the minority. I'm in the minority now. Before you are born, you get to see your life and how it is from you are born till the day you die, and you get the chance to avoid 3 of the most embarrassing, sad, or heartbreaking events throughout your life, while speaking as I'm not a psychologist, but I play one on TV. But seriously, embarrassing moments and sad moments are part of life. You can't live unless you have embarrassing or sad moments. But hard, I'd choose to get rid of the heartbreaking moments. But let's read the other side. You will also have to sacrifice 3 of the most amazing and joyous moments in your life. No. Woohoo! 56% of people. I don't know why I all of a sudden decided to get my glasses, but woohoo, 56 of people are with me. I love these. Each and every person who ever wronged you will have their life destroyed in the manner of your choosing. But your mother and father will be killed by all these people. No. My mother and father are precious to me. So I'm glad to see that 70% or the majority of people are with me. You find your true love, but she or he dumps you after 10 years and never speaks to you again. This question is bullshit because your true love won't dump you or won't dump you or get angry and never speak to you again. True love won't do that. Oh, fuck. I meant to press I will. Then I'd be in the minority. But I'm in the majority. Now, 62% of people did not press the button. The button. You find concrete proof that God doesn't exist and convince society of this, but your extensive research causes you to become distant, bitter, and lonely, and you die alone. Fuck that. I mean, one of the joys of life is pondering these questions. you get the best gaming PC ever made, but you can only play Minecraft. Fuck no. I don't play Minecraft that much. 58% of people are with me. I did play Minecraft once with my sister and her friends, and they kept ganging up on me and exploding me with dynamite. So, no. You lose your arms in an accident, but you get robot arms capable of crushing cars, but they have to charge for 12 hours a day. Fuck yeah, I mean, who wouldn't? Most people actually, but I suppose that would be useful. Think how useful it would be to be able to crush cars or something as hard as cars. But I do love my arms. You would instantly be aware of who your perfect soulmate is, but you can never be with them. This is another bullshit question. No. That's a worst punishment ever. To know who your soulmate is, but never be able to reach them or be with them is torture. Okay, one more. You gain the ability to turn invisible at will, but it involves holding your breath to do so. Sure. I'm in the vast majority. 83% of people press the button. Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day every day. On weekdays at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. On weekends at 11:30 and 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. And some days I will sing because I have issues to work through. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, hit like if you liked it. Au revoir, goodbye.